So here you have the 2016 question 5. This is Leaving Cert Ordinary Level, and this is a question on statistics. So we're told the waiting times in minutes for 16 patients at a dentist surgery are recorded for a particular week 1, on the following stem and leaf plot. So this is our stem and leaf plot. So when we're reading a stem and leaf plot, we can see when we have 0, 5, that stands for just 5. 0, 8, that stands for just 8. When we have 1, 2, that stands for 12. And if we have 2, 0, that stands for 20. So we're asked to find the mode and the median of the data. So the mode is the value that occurs most often. So if we look at all our values, so we have 12s, we have 3 of them, and we don't have anything else that we have 3 of, because we have 2 34s and 1 44. So the mode is going to be equal to 12. So the median is the value that occurs in the middle. So median is middle value when all the values are arranged in order. So our values are already arranged in order. So if we want to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we have 16 values. So if we want to get the middle value, we can divide by 2. So we get 8. So the 8 and the 9th value are the middle values. So our middle value is really going to be 8.5. So we have to get the average of the 8 and the 9th value. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's the average of this value and that value. So 24 plus 25 divided by 2. So that gives me 24.5. Another way I can get the median is I can cross off 1 each time. And then I'm left with my 2 values in the middle, and I just get the average of them. And then the next part, I'm asked to find the mean waiting time for week 1 correct to 1 decimal place. So the mean is when we add up all the values and then divide by the number of values. So I'm going to have to add up all my values here. So it's going to be 5 plus 8 plus 12 plus 12, 12 plus 13 plus 20 plus 24, 25 plus 27 plus 30 plus 31 plus 32 plus 34, 34 plus 44. So I'm going to add up all them. So 5. So when I add up all my values, I get an answer of 363. So I now have to divide by the number of values. I already got that the number of values was 16 when I was looking for my median. So 363 divided by 16. And I get that my mean is 22.6875. And it says correct to 1 decimal place. So our mean is 22.7, so minutes. That is our mean waiting time. And then the waiting times were recorded again the following week. The results, so they're giving me the results for the following week. So they're asking me to show these results on a plot under week 2, creating a back-to-back stem and leaf diagram. So my results for week 2, so I have 27, 23, 6, 15, 18, 29, 16, 17, 15, 18, 40, 32, 16, 12, 28, and 9. So I'm asked to create a back-to-back stem and leaf diagram. So first I'm going to have to try and arrange my values in order. So if I'm to look for my smallest value? Well, the smallest value that I have here is 6. So I'm going to draw a circle around a value that I've used. So I'm going to do, so the way we had started off with the smaller values are nearer to the side. So we're going to put our 6 here. And then we're going to work our way out. So 6, and then the next biggest value is 9. So I'll draw a circle around that to show I've used it. And then the next value going up is 12. So that 1, 2 signifies 12. And then the next value, I would say it appears to be 15. So 1, 5 for 15. And then we have another 15. So another 1, 5. And then we have 16. So 1, 6. And then we have another 16. And then we have 17, so 7, and then we have an 18, so 8, so I'm just running out of space a little bit, and then I have another 8, 18, so another 8. So then for my 2, I have 23. So my 3 here, and I have 27 and 28 and 29. And then for my 30, I have 32. And then for my 40, I have 1 in this. And then I might be just asked to do a key, so I'll just do a key. 4, so that's going to be so I might just so 4 0 gives me so key is so our key is already from this side, so we don't need to do another one. We can just see that it's a back-to-back stem and leaf diagram. And that is our answer for that question.